So welcome back, guys. As you hear, my voice sounds pretty bad. I have a really bad flu, but I have to work on my car because in 2 days we're gonna go to a show car, and I only have 2 days on me to install new coils, new wheels, and fix the subwoofer custom wall. So yeah, and the thing we're gonna do now is to install J-Spec coil overs and the new wheels. I'm gonna show the coils, but I'm gonna show the wheels later in the video.
I've got the techno on my mind, spending in the club all night. I gotta move my body, move my body. Take the body side, getting in the bumpy road. I gotta move my body, move my body. My mind, spending in the club all night.
So here we have the coils from J-Spec. It's just adjustable like normal coils. This is not the expensive one. They're pretty cheap. They're just listed for $350, so it's affordable, and I think it will lower the car enough for my wheels. So, and one more thing, I have never installed a coil overs by my own, so this will maybe take a while. So what I'm doing here is just removing the sensor cable and the wire to the brakes, because that's gonna be in the way when you're removing the suspension. So as you can see, I struggle a lot with removing the spring leg, but in the end I got it removed, but it took a very long time. So a small comparison, look how big the original suspension is. It's insane how big it is. And here's the new one. And we're gonna transfer over some stuff to the new one from the old one, like this ring here, yeah, and this. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do now, and just 3 more to remove. So what I'm doing here is to removing the strut mounts, because you need that for the coilovers. In my case though, I didn't have the original OEM on my car for some reason, I don't know why, so I had to order new ones. So double check so you have the right one when you're buying cheaper coilovers.
The less will become, I just live forever within our souls. So do even know, and life will go on, and then we'll become just nothing at all. Just nothing, just nothing, just nothing, just nothing at all. Nothing at all, nothing at all, nothing at all. And then we'll become just nothing at all. seen all the words we were so just to know what it meant, so you took it away. Now time was right to connect, it's like I'm gonna forget it tonight is done. There's something on my face, something in my veins, still hurts. And I don't know what it takes, don't know what it takes to move on.
So what we did here was using stripes to tighten up the spring. It's nothing I recommend to do, and it could be very dangerous, but we didn't find any better solution to remove it, and it actually worked pretty good. But like I said, I don't recommend doing this.
A day will become just nothing at all. I've seen enough things to lose hope, and here I am still going. I am even stronger now.
So guys, the car is finally done, and here you have it, the new wheels. I went for the Borsetta Star wheels. I know it's for like a Volvo, but I think it fits really good on an E36. So as you can see, it's a bit high back here, and it's because I broke the top rings for the new suspension, so I sitting on the old one, but we're gonna change it back. I have ordered new ones, and I'm so amazed how good it looks with those wheels. And you don't have to do any modifications to make those wheels fit. I know it's for Volvo, and I don't remember which more, but it's supposed to be on a Volvo. But this turned out so amazing, and also sorry if this took so long time to finish. It has been raining for a week, and me and my friend have working different times the last week, so we couldn't be able to film with a drone. But yeah, and one more nice thing, I won a prize for the car last week. So yeah, this build is really coming to an end. There are of course some more things I want to do. I want to change steering wheel, I want to fix some more rust, there are some painting I want to repaint. So there are some small fixes, but it's turning out really nice. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video, and I will see you next time whenever I upload next time.
Girls with their nails done.